Many users ask us, when using a soldering station, should I worry about leakage or stray voltage? Here's the answer. If your outlet is properly grounded, there's nothing to worry about. But how do you know if your outlet is grounded? Let's test it. Method 1, grounding tester. Just plug it in and check the indicator lights. Grounded outlet? You'll see the correct signal. Now let's remove the ground with an adapter. And you can see the tester warning, no ground detected. Method 2, multimeter test. With a multimeter, you can check if the grounding is valid. Measure the voltage between live and neutral and between live and ground. If both are around 220 volts and the difference is less than 5 volts, the grounding is good. Switch to AC mode. Measure live to ground voltage, about 221 volts. Then measure live to neutral, around 222 volts. When using a soldering station, you can insert the black probe of the multimeter into the ground terminal of the socket and place the red probe on the heating element. A tiny voltage is normal. But with no ground connected, you'll see a much higher voltage. And that's why proper grounding matters. Stay safe, check your setup, and follow for more soldering tips.